Okay, see question number 50. Integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 dx by 1 plus e power x into cos to the power of 6x plus sin to the power of 6x. See, like this question in earlier classes we have done, but slight variation. Limits forget. Cos to the power of 4x plus sin to the power of 4x, 1 plus e power x cos x. There x cos x. Even let it be x cos x or whatever it may be, automatically if you apply this a plus b minus x rule, automatically this is going to become minus x. Okay, 1 by 1 plus 1 by e power x. Let us see what I want to do. I am taking this as I, and I am modifying minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 dx by see 1 plus 1 by e power x cos to the power of 6x plus sin to the power of 6x. See, one step I have jumped. You understand? Why? Because see, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 0 minus x. A plus b minus x we are going to write in x place. Minus x. Minus x means see, cos or sin, even after becoming negative also, square and after squaring again you are applying cube line. This is going to become positive, that's why these two are not going to change. Even for 4 also in the last question they have not changed. But here minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x means minus x will come. These two are going to get cancelled. Minus x means what? 1 by e power x. Now in the next step e power x plus 1 by e power x. This e power x goes to numerator. Right now. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 e power x dx by 1 plus e power x into sin to the power of 6x plus cos to the power of 6x. Okay, understand this? Okay, now see, this is also I. Then I am adding both. 2i is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. See here 1 here e power x. 1 plus e power x dx by 1 plus e power x into cos to the power of 6x plus sin to the power of 6x. Okay. Now you cancel these two. Finally, your I is going to become, I am writing directly 0 to pi by 2. Why? See, after cancellation these are even functions. Even functions mean minus a to plus a. Rather than 0 to a I will write and I will keep 2 times. 2 times if you keep 2i, 2 going to get cancelled, I is going to become like this. Okay, one step I have jumped. Dx by sin square x plus cos square x into cos to the power of 4x minus sin square x cos square x plus sin to the power of 4x. Is it okay? See, I am writing some formula here. So for cube what we are having? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay? Now see here, a cube plus b cube is there like you think. Actually 6 is there, power 6. Not a problem. Even with 6 also you are going to get this formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. That means see, cos square x plus sin square x into a square. If this is a, automatically sin to the power of 4 is, see these two are positive. That is why cos or sin you can write anywhere. But minus ab, minus a square sin square into cos square. Okay, this formula we have applied there. See, this is equal to 1. Now you have to take only this. Okay, write down that. Implies I am keeping I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by see cos to the power of 4x minus sin square x cos square x plus sin to the power of 4x. Okay. Now see what is the logic. Normally we divide with cos to the power of 4x. Why? Here cos to the power of 4x is going to become secant to the power of 4x. Okay, that is required for us. Why? We are going to solve this. We see how. 0 to pi by 2 1 by cos to the power of 4x dx by cos to the power of 4x by cos to the power of 4x 1 minus. See, cos to the power of 4x means cos square sin square by cos square tan square plus sin to the power of 4x tan to the power of 4x. Understand? This we are going to write secant to the power of 4x. Write down. That is equal to, see, integral 0 to pi by 2 1 plus tan square x into secant square x dx. See, 1 by cos to the power of 4x is secant to the power of 4x. Secant square x into secant square x. One secant square x I have written like this. Another secant square x I have written like this. Why? Because I am going to take tan x as t. Write down that. Tan to the power of 4x minus tan square x plus 1. Okay? Now shall I take tan x as t? What will happen if I take? Let me take. Because let us see what will happen and not. See, I am taking tan x as t. Why? Because I have not taken until now any substitution. Then see, secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay? Secant square x dx. Then this you can write 1 plus t square minus, t to the power of 4 minus t square plus 1. That is okay. But what about limits? See, at x is equal to 0, t is equal to tan 0, 0. At x is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to, see, tan pi by 2, infinity. This is very important, infinity. Okay? Write down then 0 to infinity. Okay, 0 to infinity. 1 plus t square dt. Divided by, you have seen t to the power of 4 minus t square plus 1. See, this we have to change now. Divided by t square. Divided by t square. Okay? Earlier also I have done the same thing. I am recollecting memory. Okay, see, first of all, I is equal to integral 0 to infinity. If you divide it by t square, 1 by t square plus 1. Okay, and dt divided by, see, t square will come here, minus 1 will come here, plus 1 by t square will come here. Okay? Now this will change. How you are going to change it? Implies I am taking. You see, a square minus a square plus b square minus 2, but here minus 2 is not there. Okay? See what I want to say. See, t minus 1 by t I am taking as theta. So because see, if you take automatically 1 plus 1 by t square. One plus, see, d by, we are going to do this differentiation both sides. D by dt of t 1 minus d by dt of 1 by t minus 1 by t square minus or minus plus 1 by t square. Dt is going to become d theta. Okay? Limits. See, I am going to remove this blue under this one. Answer will be like this only. Okay? Now this is enough. Continuity will be there. Now I am removing these two lines. Okay. I think green I have there. Okay. Now see, see when t is 0, theta will be 0 minus 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. 0 minus infinity. Minus infinity. Okay. At t is equal to plus infinity, theta is equal to because plus infinity. Infinity minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. Infinity minus 0 is infinity. Plus infinity. Okay. That is one thing. Another thing, you see, purpose also we have to see. Why? Because see here you have to change this also. See, anyway this you are taking, differentiate with this is going to come. That means see 1 plus 1 by t square dt you are going to write with d theta numerator, but what about denominator? Why? Because denominator is not this. How we are going to manage? That means see 1 plus t square or t minus 1 by t whole square. Let me write. See t minus 1 by t whole square, if I take, what will happen? T square plus 1 by t square minus 2. T into 1 by t going to get cancelled out. But here t square plus 1 by t square is there, but minus 1 is there. Minus 1 is there, but you are having minus 2. Then you add plus 1. If you add plus 1, actually minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 will come. But you require this. That means you require this. Implies I am keeping not equal to. Okay. Now you change this. Again implies I am keeping I is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. Numerator is going to become simply d theta. And denominator you have to write t minus 1 by t, that means theta. Theta square plus 1. 1 plus theta square. Okay, now simple. Now simple. Why? Because see, this is tan inverse theta, that's all. That is equal to tan inverse theta, but this is from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay? Tan inverse plus infinity minus tan inverse minus infinity. Plus infinity means pi by 2 minus infinity means minus pi by 2. That is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is equal to 5. Let us go for next question.